Welcome back to the Urban Legends series. This piece is going to be called The Lady of Shea Lake. The urban legend goes as follows. If you find yourself floating on Shea Lake after dusk, a woman will come out of the water. Her beauty will be of that something unreal, something that you would see in heaven. And in a moment, her true beauty will fall apart and a beast will burst forward. I don't take much stock in urban legends myself, but I did do some research on this particular topic and found that in the 1930s there was a young man that unfortunately lost his life in a canoeing accident, which lends credence to some of the information that is known about the urban legend itself. In addition to that information that I found in old newspapers, I do know that a large majority of the population that lives in this area is of Irish descent. This only leads to further validation of the information that I found in old newspaper clippings about the Lady of the Lake, that it is some sort of Irish mythological creature that comes from the water. Now, in most of the descriptions that I found, it is actually like a skeleton lady that comes out of the beautiful woman out of the water. So that's the artistic angle that I decided to go with. I thought this was a really interesting piece and I had a lot of fun with it. Alright, let's just take a moment to see this satisfying tape peel. Alright guys, if you guys could do me a favor, make sure that you like this video if you like my art. Thank you. Bye.